My name is Lili Stiefel. Thank you so much for joining the Mixed Space Meetups and welcome to the Mixed Space Zoom tutorial. I'm so excited that you're here. This is a simple breakdown of how to use Zoom with the Mixed Space. It was created to make it easier for you to join our meetups and our discussion, because here at the Mixed Space, it's important to us that you feel confident and excited to be part of our community. First things first, audio settings. There's a mute button on the bottom left corner of your screen where you can mute and unmute yourself. This is represented by the microphone icon in your menu bar. Find it to turn on your microphone so you can speak and be heard. The second option, which is right next to the mute button, is your camera settings, represented by a camera icon. We love to see your faces live and in person. However, if you're a little camera shy, just tap the button to turn off your camera. Do you see the little triangle next to the stop video button? If you click on that, it'll give you the option to choose a virtual background,
which will let you transport into space, into a garden, or to San Francisco.
But do keep in mind that these settings will shift slightly or appear differently depending on what operating system you're using or what laptop you're on. Moving on, you will have the most fun with us on gallery view. That's where you'll see all of our mixed people faces from around the world, and you'll know that you're in gallery view when you see speaker view on the top right corner as a button, and then the other way around, you'll know that you're in speaker view if you see gallery view on the top right button. Additionally, if you click on the participants icon, which is next to the camera icon, it'll give you an option for more, which allows you to change your name and add your pronouns. And now to the secret party at the Mixed Space Meetups, the chat room. You'll find the Zoom group chat in the middle of your menu bar at the bottom of your Zoom screen. I invite you to share your story. Tell us all about yourself. We want to know your name, how you identify in any way, your gender pronouns, where you're currently located, the time zone that you're in, the languages that you speak, and your social media handles. And if you're aware of the tribe that's native to the land that you're settled on, share that as well. Another fun and easy way to participate and express yourself is through quick reactions. For that, you click on the smiley face with the little plus sign all the way to the right on your screen in the menu bar. That allows you to send a smiley or a heart to cheer on the community, to send a thumbs up to show that you agree to our community guidelines. So back to the little triangle next to your video settings. If you click on that under general video settings, it gives you the option to change the skin tone of your emojis. And that's it. That's really all there is to it. So thank you so much for being here and watching. I can't wait to see you at the next Mixed Space Meetup. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to the Mixed Space YouTube channel. Also check out our website, our Facebook, our Instagram to learn tons more about our meetups and meet the community at large. All the links you need are in the info box below. Thank you so much.